Hi, this is Venkakrishna from Chris Software Solutions. In this video, we're going to discuss about how to work with the actions class. What is the use of actions class and various methods in it. How to work with the mouse actions and all. The main use of actions class is whenever we are not able to perform some operations normally, we cannot able to perform. Like for example, inside of one menu another menu is there, and inside of that one more menu is there. In those cases and all, we cannot automate with normal methods, so we need to go for actions class, which is provided by the Selenium. So whenever we want to perform the mouse operations on our elements, then we need to go for actions class, and it is going to perform all those actions on the top of driver objects only. So this is the syntax to create the actions class. Actions a equal to new actions, and you need to provide your driver object, and then few more methods are there which we are going to learn in this video, how to work with them, how to perform the mouse actions on it. Let me take a simple scenario. I am going to show you. Let me open a sample website. Okay, so this is the sample website. Once we come here, can you able to see here anywhere menu? Yeah, jQuery UI menus are there. Okay, in jQuery UI menus, you can able to observe here carefully. Some menus which we can do only with mouse. See, once we place mouse on here enabled, you can able to get these two options. Again, you place mouse on downloads, you're going to get these three options, and then you can click on any option. So these type of scenarios we can perform only by using actions class, no other way. Okay, by using actions class only we can perform these actions. Okay, first you need to identify this enabled, and then go inside, identify this downloads, and identify which option you want to click on it. Now we are going to automate this scenario now. Okay, so that's fine. Let me try to create a new class here. Let me take the new class, that is actions demo. Fine. So let me copy from previous, any methods are there, like previous methods. Let me copy from there. So because already you know how to perform the set the path of the Chrome driver and launch the application and all. So and also you're going to learn one more new weight today, that I'm going to explain you, and how to maximize the screen. For example, I want to maximize my screen. How you can do that? Driver dot manage dot window dot maximize, so that your browser will be opened in minimized mode, and then it is going to do the maximized. Similarly, I'm going to tell you one more weight also. Driver dot manage dot timeouts dot page load will be there. Page load timeout will be there. Okay, so this we are going to learn. Page load timeout, I am giving 30 seconds, and here just we need to give time unit dot seconds or minutes, you can give here. Okay, so that's it. These two we are learning newly here. Oh, that's fine. So now what we need to do, what is our scenario? Let me open the app. This is the page we need to open. Directly I am giving the page only. Okay, I have given that page only. Already you know. See, I am trying to work with the Chrome driver, and I am setting here Chrome driver exe path, and then these methods implicitly wait. It will work for each and every element in your script. This is only for the page load. Whenever page loading is taking more time, then it is going to wait over there, and I am giving the maximizing my screen. Okay, let me do one by one. First I want to go to the enabled. Let me identify what is the locator for enabled. See, enable text is there here. Let me try to write a XPath for this. XPath A and text, right? It is a text, sorry, text equal to enabled. See, one element is highlighting successfully. This is my first element. What I am doing is we are doing which scenario, navigating to the menu. So I am taking the web element here, web element, just I am creating the elements equal to driver dot find element by dot XPath I am giving here. So this is my first web element. Next, let me import this web element. Okay, similarly I want to create for I want to click on Excel here. That is what my requirement. Now downloads anchor link, and that is downloads only. Okay, fine. And what is the third one? In the inside of the downloads, I want to go for Excel. Inspect it. Excel only is there. Fine. So because the XPath is same for these three, I am not verifying this because it should work. Element 2, element 3, and the second element is downloads, right? Same XPath I am using, just I am replacing with downloads. Same. Third one also I am replacing with Excel. So our elements, 3 elements are ready now. What we need to do on these elements? First we need to navigate to where? First we need to navigate to enabled, and then we need to navigate to download, and then Excel. See how it is going to work. Now I am going to write the using actions class we are going to use now. How create a actions class object? Action any variable equal to new actions of, you need to provide your driver object. Okay, you need to provide your driver object, as well as you need to import this class. Okay, I have imported that. Now no errors are there. Now this variable I am using dot, you need to go to where? Move to element. First I want to move to where? The element 1 I want to move. I hope you understand here. This is my element 1, this is my element 2, this is my element 3. Please remember this. Enabled is element 1, downloads is element 2, and Excel is element 3. Now observe carefully here. So first I am going to the moving to the first element, and then I want to wait for just 2 seconds. There is a pause method will be there. You can use this, and then again I want to move to the second element. Again I am going to do the pause here. Again I want to move to the third element. Now what I need to do on third element? I want to perform the click operation. Okay, that's it. But each and every actions class operations we need to append with build.perform. Every operation we are performing with the actions class, you need to append with first build, and then you need to add the perform. So it is going to build all these actions, and then it is going to perform the particular action. Okay, so that's it. This is how you need to work with the actions class. What we have done, we have taken what all the elements are there in our application. Those all elements we have identified, and then we are going one by one to the each and every element. For the last element Excel, we need to click on it. So we need to click on the last element, and then build.perform is common for each action method. Okay, so like this how you can work with the. So before going to that, I want to okay, these 3 elements are fine, this is fine. Okay, let me run this script and we will see. I have updated the to the menu also. Okay, and Chrome driver path is correct. Okay, just for our understanding, I am adding one more statement here, just printing our institution name. Okay, just for checking purpose whether it is starting the execution or not. Okay, let me run this. Now what is our expectation here? Once we click on, what is our expectation here? Once we click on Excel, See, Excel is downloading here. So that is what need to happen. Now menu 5 is there. If at all we are performing with automation, it need to download menu 6. Okay, fine. Let me run and verify. Okay, Chris Software Solutions is printed successfully. Okay, the app is browser is launched and it is going to the menu. That is the reason it is taking more time. That is the reason I have added the statement page load timeout. See, enabled. Yeah, download is successfully. Excel. See, menu 6 is downloaded successfully here. So like this, how you can work with the menus. Okay, not only menus, wherever the mouse actions you need to perform, there you can use the actions class. That is the beauty of actions class, how we can use in our Selenium. You are not able to identify manually, or Selenium is not able to identify something, then you can perform by using actions class, and you can perform the operations like click or send keys, or you can pass the keys wherever it is required. So that is the use of the actions class. So actions class mainly we are using for automating the mouse actions mainly. So first you need to create a actions class object here, like this. How you need to create actions class object. By using that object you are going to perform all these actions. Okay, n number of actions you can perform in the single statement by using the pause, so that by taking the pause it is going to the corresponding menus and it is going to perform the actions on it. Okay, so this is how about the how we can work with the actions class. So if you really like this video, please encourage me by doing subscribe and liking all my videos. So I am trying to help you to get your job or to survive in your job and all. Okay, so thank you so much.